Hello friends, it's 8th June 2021 and finally the rain has arrived in Mumbai. All my succulents are enjoying rains. It's raining heavily. It's a morning time. This is topsy-turvy. Sedum blue. Graptosedum. Next to it there is Echeveria. This is the Echeveria plant. Sedum adolphi, Graptopetalum, all are enjoying rains. This is the Echeveria, Paul von Nürnberg, all are enjoying rain. And below there is my jade plant, very old jade plant. It's falling down. It's going down. String of pearls, Kalanchoe. There is a Kalanchoe Miloti. Since I think 3 years it is there only. It's a very hardy plant, Kalanchoe Miloti, and this is the Havarthia plant. Havarthia attenuata, which got dry during summer. Havarthia is the indoor plant. In the corner, it is the Kalanchoe Ferskenkoi. Baby steers and Tradescanthia, wandering Jew plant. This is the earth star in the terrarium enjoying rain. I need to repot this. This is the Calathea repens. This is the Vining succulent. Very beautiful. Small tiny leaves, purple from the backside. Very cute. Tiny growth on my jade plant. That was a variegated jade plant. This is a basket of Crassula camphire and Tomentosa. This area has rotted completely. This is Sedum adolphi. Baby pups of Echeverias. Havarthia attenuata. This is also Havarthia kept inside. Now I will keep them outside as it will start raining. I will keep them outside. This is also one type of Havarthia. This is a jade plant. See here, there is a new growth on jade plant. Hello friends, today in the morning it rained for almost for a 1.5 hour in Mumbai. All my pots got wet, but now there is a sunlight. The atmosphere is cloudy. but still the sun is popping out and it's giving sunlight to all my succulents. So this is a condition. It rained for a 1.5 hour, and in the afternoon time there is a sunlight falling on my plants. So the sunlight will make this soil dry. I don't have to worry about my succulents. If again tomorrow the soil is wet. See, the soil is wet. Soil in this will become dry after some time. Now see this one, the soil you can make out, soil is dry. Actually what's happening, the plants which are kept here, these plants are at the outer side in comparison with these planters. Now these planters, the planters which are here, they are quite safe because they are at the middle of the slab and these are at the outer side. So I'm little bit worried about these planters, but if the soil will remain damp tomorrow also, then I will have to report particularly this one and this one. If continuously today till the afternoon time, if they will get the sunlight, the soil will become dry, so I don't have to worry. So accordingly you have to check whether the soil is becoming dry or not. If it's not becoming dry, then definitely you have to repot your succulent plants. So guys, stay tuned with me to see the update of my succulent during this monsoon season or rainy season. Thanks for watching.